Rolling Remembrance is an activity that we do across PepsiCo Valor, our Veterans Employee Resource Group, to raise funds for children who have lost a parent in the line of duty.
We relay a flag from the West Coast to the East Coast and stop at a number of PepsiCo hubs along the way in support of the children of the Fallen Patriots.
It's hard to believe that in modern times there's over 25,000 children who have lost a parent serving the line of duty. And Fallen Patriots' sole mission is to provide college scholarships to those children.
Hi everyone, my name is Bailey Donahue and I am the daughter of U.S. Army Major Michael Donahue. My dad served for 19 years. Losing him was indescribably the hardest experience to endure. Not only was he my father, but my best friend and partner in crime. While his death, as well as the loss of many other service members, have impacted the lives of military families and communities everywhere, I was able to find hope through the help of Children of Fallen Patriots Foundation.
Being an Army veteran myself, knowing a lot of folks that have passed in service for their country, it resonates very hard for me. You know, and also as a parent, nothing's more important than your child.
Through Rolling Remembrance, we can hit so many different locations and get our veterans involved in supporting a fantastic cause. So if you feel inspired to do so, please go online and make a donation for this year's campaign.